Hey folks, this would be you driving or your car caught up in such an accident. And this would be one of the most traumatic experiences of your life. So, to save you from such a trouble of unintentional, unavoidable accidents, or any possible future insurance claims or any possible legal actions, we have a solution just made for you.
Introducing the all-new Third Eye Dashcam by Globe Enterprise, your ultimate travel companion. Drive with confidence and stay protected from any road incidents, ensuring a worry-free journey every time. So, don't wait. Secure your peace of mind today. Order your Third Eye Dashcam now through our online store. Just click the link in the description or visit our page for more details. Drive smarter, stay safer. Third Eye, your ultimate safety driving companion.